We're getting a breaking input now. This is about the Prime Minister's schedule for today. We're given to understand that the Prime Minister is likely to take a holy dip and seek blessings of Ma Ganga. He's going to perform Ganga Aarti at around 8:30, after which the nomination filing is going to take place at 11:40. And in between this, the Prime Minister is also, remember, going to meet the top NDA leaders here in Varanasi. One can call it a show of strength, one can call it a strategy. The Prime Minister will file nomination during an auspicious period is what we're given to understand. We'll talk more about that. We have Pragya and Mohit joining us on the broadcast. Pragya is tracking the Prime Minister's movement early this morning, and Mohit is getting us details from the DM office. Pragya, holy dip likely is what we're given to understand. The Prime Minister will seek blessings from Ma Ganga first, perform Ganga Aarti, and then also head towards the Kal Bhairav temple at around 10.
Absolutely, Swati, this is what we are also hearing, and if you could just see behind me, there's a cruise, and also before that there is a platform that has been erected for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is likely to take a dip because, as he has come to Ma Ganga, he is likely to take a dip there, and also there are priests who will chant mantras and do some puja along with Prime Minister. So all the rituals will be performed here before he goes on to Namo Ghat, and from there Kal Bhairav temple, where he will do the darshan. We are given to understand that all the leaders of NDA who are at Taj Palace right now, they will be moving towards DM office in buses to witness Prime Minister filing his nomination, and there is an anteroom there where there could be a meeting of NDA leaders as well, is what we are given to understand by the senior leaders who are privy to the schedule of Prime Minister as well. So Prime Minister is going to file the nomination, but before that, as Prime Minister always say, मुझे माँ गंगा ने बुलाया है and मुझे माँ गंगा ने अब गोद लिया है. He could not miss this opportunity to be at Ma Ganga's Ghat, to touch the water and seek the blessings, and this is exactly why Prime Minister has planned to come here before he goes to Kal Bhairav. And if you could just see the priests standing there, there are 7-8 priests ready for the ritual ceremony, and also we are given to understand that Prime Minister is likely to take a dip as well in the Ganges. So this is the morning schedule of Prime Minister before filing the nomination, Swati.
Going to file his nomination for the third time.
Pragya, stay on with us. In fact, let's break down the details of what's going to happen today. We're getting some breaking inputs, and we're given to understand that there's going to be a show of strength also in terms of the meetings that have been scheduled, in terms of the presence of top NDA leaders. Pragya continues to be with us. Pragya showing us around the Shashwamedh Ghat is where the Prime Minister is going to take, likely to take a holy dip. He's going to perform puja there, and then he will head towards the Kal Bhairav temple, once again seek blessings of Kal Bhairav before he files his nomination. Remember, while inaugurating the Kashi corridor, the Prime Minister spoke about Varanasi में किसकी सरकार है, and he said वो जिनके हाथ में डमरू है, वाराणसी में उन्हीं की सरकार है. So how can the Prime Minister not seek blessings of the Lord before he files his nomination? Yesterday as well, in fact, during the road show, the Prime Minister went to the Kashi Vishwanath temple. That's where the roadshow culminated. The Prime Minister offered prayers at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. In that 5-kilometer long roadshow, interacted with people. People showered their love and blessings on the Prime Minister. And the Prime Minister has often spoken about the kind of connection that he has with Varanasi. Now it has changed. When he came here initially in 2014, he said, ना मुझे यहाँ किसी ने भेजा है, ना मैं यहाँ खुद आया हूँ, मुझे माँ गंगा ने बुलाया. In 2024, he says कि माँ गंगा ने मुझे गोद लिया. So that's the kind of relationship the Prime Minister has with Ma Ganga. We have Mohit on the broadcast as well. Mohit, we are giving the details and breaking down the details of the Prime Minister's schedule today ahead of filing the nomination. But we're also given to understand that this filing of nomination is going to happen during an auspicious period.
Well, yes, Swati, the time has been pre-decided by the BJP, and what we are being told, as you clearly stated, that it is said that the time of around 11:45 to 12:30 or 12:15 till the time the nomination will complete, because nomination process also takes some time, is an auspicious time which is being pre-decided, and that is why we saw that how, in fact, a week before it came out, the Prime Minister will be filing his nomination at around 11:45. Now, before that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be having a meeting with the top NDA leaders. Now, the top leaders of the BJP, including Home Minister Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, are also expected to accompany Prime Minister Narendra Modi for this particular nomination. Now, Swati, we know that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the tallest leader of the NDA. He is the face of the NDA, and now we know that how this is also a show of strength, that at the nomination nomination of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the top NDA leaders will be present. I'll show you the scenes around here. And as you were clearly saying that the lanes going towards the DM office have been barricaded. As of now, tight security protocol is being followed by the Varanasi police. And in some time from now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be offering prayers at Kal Bhairav temple. Now, it's also being said that once you go to Kashi Vishwanath temple, Swati, you have to go to Kal Bhairav temple so that your pilgrimage, your prayers are complete. And that is why Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as Pragya was reporting, will be taking a dip in Ganga river, and after that he will be going to Kal Bhairav temple. Now, post filing of nomination, Swati, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to meet the party workers, and after that Prime Minister also has a busy schedule. So it's not just about the nomination, it's about the election schedule, that just after filing his nomination he'll meet the workers and he'll leave for Jharkhand, where he has 2 rallies scheduled for today, and then Prime Minister again will be on campaign mode. Now, Swati, we know that how every single corner of Kashi was resonating. Hamar Kashi, Hamar Modi. Yesterday, it was a massive show of strength. Lakhs of BJP workers, visitors, and people of Varanasi gathered to catch a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that is why we see that the connect of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is with the people on the ground, and that is why he says, "Mujhe Maa Ganga ne god liya hai." So we clearly see that a massive show of strength of NDA is also being planned, and in some time from now, Swati, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be taking a dip in Holy Ganga river, and after that he will be visiting Kal Bhairav temple. Back to you.